terrible after Taco Tuesday when you wake up on
Wednesday, hump day.
Hump Day, Wednesday. But it's actually the ingredients inside of your seasonings, in your taco shells, and even in your toppings. So we're going to be diving deep today. This is the Smiley family here.
What's up?
Joining me. We're going to show you exactly how to make clean tacos that make you feel good so that you can eat the foods you love and what?
Do not feel bloated.
Yeah, feel real good.
And feel
Right.
good. Okay.
Yeah, we do this pretty much every Tuesday night.
Yes. So what you're finding in most taco shells is what kind of taco shells do you guys like? What do kids eat?
Flour.
Yes.
Yeah, what are they called?
Flour tortillas.
Yeah, tortillas.
So, wheat flour actually is stripped of all of its fiber. You're left with glucose. And when you find those wheat flour tortillas that kids love, the problem is that there is tons and tons of preservatives, even inflammatory oils inside of there, okay? So, if you are going to give your kids flour tortillas, make sure it's organic and has the least amount of ingredients. I'm going to be showing you these taco shells called siete that are made with cassava flour, a really good oil, aka avocado oil, that is also kid approved. And hold this up, somebody took a bite of this. Who did that? That was you,
They
Lynn?
love eating the tortillas like that.
So this is sprouted corn tortillas and it's organic. The only ingredients are the sprouted corn and a trace of lime, okay? So super simple, no added sugars, no added inflammatory oils or preservatives in there. Corn is going to be better than the wheat flour because it's naturally gluten-free. It's going to be a little bit easier to digest, okay? What do y'all think Dad's favorite ingredient is when it comes to Taco Tuesday?
Love Taco Tuesday.
The meat.
The meat.
Close. Close. I'll be back. It's
Whoa!
ingredient.
That's amazing!
Yeah, it's good stuff.
We need to make room for the margaritas
There you
here.
go.
Can't drink margarita for kids, okay? Coming soon, I'm going to show you exactly how to make our Smiley margarita and mezcal margarita, which is a favorite of all of our clients here at Wake Up and Read Labels. That video is going to come soon. You'd never know that the sour cream is dairy-free. Would you like to take a lick? Come on. Would you like to take a lick? Come on.
Tastes like daisies.
Ooh, tastes like what?
Daisies.
What do you think?
Daisy?
Rate it.
9 out of 10.
Wow.
7 out of 10.
Wow.
7 out of 10?
That's a big deal coming from the kiddos.
Yeah, in fact, my kids have never ever tried this as sour cream, and I've been eating it for many years. So thank you, all of you followers and subscribers who encourage them to try something clean, and they have just discovered that it's pretty darn good, okay? This is made with coconut, and it's got some probiotics in it. This has no added sugar. It's not coming from cows that are eating on grains and things that are inflammatory. So this is the real deal. So good on chili. I love it for taco night. No one would know the difference, I don't think. If your kids do love, though, to eat sour cream, there is a brand called Green Valley, and it's made from pasture-raised cows, so know that it's going to be no lactose in there. It's lactose-free, so it's a little bit easier on the bellies to digest. Otherwise, here is to your next Taco Tuesday. Make sure to click the link below to subscribe so that you don't miss a video and you find all these amazing recipes so that you can eat the food you love and feel
Feel good.
Great.
Bye!